there, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Angie and I'm a chemist who loves makeup. You might be wondering what the box is that I have right here. This box is from FabFitFun. They so kindly sent this to me. And FabFitFun is basically a shopping club. You get a customizable box such as this with full-size products. Those could be anything like fashion products, skincare, makeup, home decor, and you actually get to choose the product, and they have exclusive flash sales on their products that you can get up to 70% off of. And if you don't like your box that quarter, you can always exchange it for shop credit. What I like about FabFitFun is that you get to pick the products, and it is such a good deal for everything that you get. Also, it's only 4 times a year, so you're not inundated with new things monthly. If you do want to get 20% off of your seasonal membership, you can use the link down below. It is an affiliate link, as well as I have a promo code that is AngieB. Again, that is for 20% off. So with that, we're gonna dive into the products and we're gonna tally up how much value I got in this quarter's box. The first product we have is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. So this is a moisturizer and this retails for $83. So right off the bat, we've already exceeded what the cost of this box was. And this is a full-size moisturizer. It's not even travel size, this is a full-size moisturizer. It has really good things in it like glycerin. That is a great humectant. We love glycerin here. It also has shea butter, which is gonna give a really soft feeling to the skin. And it also has urea in there, which is also moisturizing, but also has the ability to exfoliate, which has that ability to help rejuvenate the skin and get rid of those dead skin cells. The next thing that we have in this box is from Obe. This is the Obe Waist Pack. It retails for $40, so also a great value. This bag is so cute. I love the color. This is olive green is one of my go-to colors. It has a pocket in the front, and on the inside as well, there's an additional pocket. And this is just great for if you don't want to have to carry a purse. Look how cute this is. See, I gotta keep up with the youths. Apparently this is how we wear fanny packs now. So I think this will allow me to stay on trend. What do you guys think? This bag in particular also came with a month of fitness classes. Obe has on-demand fitness classes. They have everything: yoga, sculpting, they have boxing, and they also have it to different types of music. So if you're a rock fan, they got that. If you like top 40s, they have that. They have EDM type of music. So whatever fits your fancy, they probably have it for. And again, that was a month membership. Our next product is from Ricola. You might have heard of the commercial, Ricola. And this is their throat drops. This is in a caramel flavor. So this retails for $4.49. So this is obviously one of the smaller items in the box, but it's still good because if I have a sore throat, I can give this a try, and I haven't really used sore throat drops, so I might actually like this. The active ingredient in these is pectin. That's an oral demulcent, and this ingredient, pectin, is basically gonna form a soothing layer over your throat to help temporarily relieve some of that pain caused by a sore throat. And it's caramel flavor, so I'm sure these are gonna be very tasty. The next product in this box is the KVD Tattoo Liner. This retails for $25. So this is a classic. This has got to be my favorite liquid liner. I just love the tip. So this is a really great example of getting value out of this box with a product that I already love and I needed to restock on because I've been using a travel size that I got in some like freebie bag. So I needed to get the full size again for when that travel size runs out. This next product is from Citrine Canyon. They're a home decor company, and this is from their Canyon collection, and this is a set of 2 spice jars. So I am trying to be a home decor kind of girl. I'm not very good at it, so if people can pick out cool kind of pieces, then I will take them up on it. So this is just a cute little spice jar. It's very small with the lid. Again, this is a set of 2. And this set of 2 retails for $30. They're also dishwasher safe, which I think is a really great feature. Now, I might not use these in the kitchen. I have other ideas for them, but I think that they're really cute. They're small, they're great for storage, and I'm excited I had the option to pick out a home decor item because I am trying to kind of give my space a vibe. I am so excited about the amount of variety of these products. We've got fashion, we've got home decor, we've had health, we have makeup. So there's just a lot of good things in this box. Again, for $47.99. Such a good value. The next product is from Youthforia. When I tell you what this is, you guys are gonna understand why I was excited to get this product. This is their color changing blush oil, and this retails for $36. So the way that this works is this does not have a shade to it. It actually reacts with your skin's chemistry. This reacts with your skin to give a unique color, and each person is going to have a different color. So this should work on all skin tones, and everybody should have their own unique shade. We'll see what color it turns my cheeks when I use it, and I am going to do some research into the chemistry of why this works. This last product is from Lujobar. This is their Eucalyptus shower steamer. This is a pack of 4, and it retails for $22. So I get congested quite a bit. Usually when I get it, it's like for like a week, 2 weeks straight, and I don't like having to take allergy medicine every day. So I'm hoping something like this might be able to reduce the frequency that I have to take it. And I feel like this is just gonna be so refreshing in the shower. Now, I don't know how long each of these will last in the shower. I don't know if it's like a one and done deal, but that's why we're gonna try it. So overall, I think the products in this box are really good. My favorite things in this box are the tattoo liner. The Obe Waist Bag is also really high up on my list. And that Murad moisturizer as well, because that is a really, really great value. So overall, if you've been keeping track, the grand total retail value of these products is $240.49, which is about 5 times what the cost of the box would be. So I think this is a really good value if you are someone who really likes trying new things, if you love shopping. This could also be a really great gift for somebody that you don't necessarily know what to buy them. And again, you can get 20% off if you use my code AngieB. Again, the affiliate link is down below as well, so feel free to use that. It helps me out as well as you. And with that, I will see you in my next video.